Welcome to my decoupage channel, where you can learn all the little tricks about decoupage without wrinkles. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a cute little winter canvas board. Let's get started. Grab yourself a plain canvas board from any craft stores and then use any white paint. Paint the board once or maybe twice. Let it dry good. When it is dry, grab yourself a decoupage glue or mud podge. I am using rice paper, but you can use napkins as well. This is a cute rice paper with winter design on it. Apply some glue on the canvas board and then press the rice paper on it. Make sure you don't see any wrinkles and then glue the rice paper on top as well. Let it dry. Sand off any excess of the rice paper and paint the sides of the board with blue paint or whatever paint you want to use. You don't have to do this next step, but I like to put a little sparkle into my design, so I'm using glitter decoupage glue. Apply it on the rice paper and let it dry. Then go ahead and seal your board with glaze or varnish. It's your choice. I used glaze from Pentart and I applied it 3 times to make it shine. Next step, I have used some plaster and some molds from Stamperia to make the design which goes on it. The plaster I used dries pretty quickly, so I didn't have to wait a long time. It was only 1 hour or so. After everything is dry, I have painted it with some paints. You can use paints of your choice. I am showing you the paints I have used. Then I have painted the wreath form with the paints I have shown you already. After painting it, I have applied different shades of colors with a dabber, as you can see in the video. After everything was dry, I have applied wine paint with a dabber, which gives it a snowy touch. Let it dry pretty good before you apply any varnish on top. I have used matte varnish because I didn't want my design to be anything shiny. Let it dry. On the board itself, I have applied some snowflake design with snowflake stencil from Stamperia and some snow paste from Stamperia as well. Let it dry and don't forget to clean your stencils. I have also applied a little bit of the snow paste on the wreath design itself. I use a contour pen to add a little design on the berries. To glue the wreath onto the canvas board, you can use glue or I used heavy body gel. To add a little bit of more winter feeling, I use a snow paste around the edges of the canvas. And here it is all finished. If you want to learn some more about decoupage, please do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye!